Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the REOLINK PTZ security camera system 4K, a powerhouse in home surveillance technology with its IP-PO 360 camera and dual lens setup. This camera offers a unique dual view on one screen, combining an 8mm telephoto lens for close-up details and a 2.8mm wide-angle lens for a sweeping panoramic view, ensuring you never miss a thing. With its auto-tracking and 6x hybrid zoom capabilities, the wide-angle PT lens follows the target while the telephoto lens zooms in for detailed focus, offering 2MP or 4K views automatically and 3 tracking modes to suit your needs. The Smart Detection feature allows the camera to track movements of people, vehicles, and pets, and you can easily replay and filter saved videos without any subscription fees. Instant alerts are at your fingertips, as the camera triggers spotlights and sirens upon detecting suspicious motions, sending push and email notifications directly to your device. Thanks to its reliable PO connection, the camera delivers 4K HD images with unparalleled stability, requiring only one network cable for quick installation. Just remember, an IEEE 802.3 AF PO switch or REOLINK PO NVR is needed, although not included, to fully utilize this advanced security system.